Now let's study about abstract nouns. As the name says, these nouns are really abstract. These are the naming words which do not have any physical state. We cannot see, hear, smell, touch, or taste any of these naming words. And all such nouns are called abstract nouns, as we cannot use our five senses to identify these nouns. Abstract nouns represent our emotions, feelings, ideas, qualities, concepts, and states, and these are the naming words which do not use any of our five senses. Let's see some examples of different abstract nouns along with their categories. The categories are feelings, and the examples could be anxiety, fear, pleasure. States, examples could be freedom, chaos, misery. Emotions, the examples could be anger, shock, sorrow. The qualities can be courage, honesty, patience. The concepts could be charity, comfort, and deceit. And the moments that we celebrate are birthday, marriage, and death. And all these are different examples of abstract nouns.